Hello, so we're back and Jago requested
To speak English
yes, to speak English
because
because
because because nothing.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Maybe it's more
so
uh
earlier you showed us
yeah,
the
the,
Vicks.
the outer pocket,
No, the Vicks. Where's the Vicks?
the Vicks.
You show us the Vicks.
Yeah, I show you the Vicks.
Yes.
Here's the
So
Vicks.
from that, what's next?
No, it's from there on.
From there on, what's
Yeah,
next?
you should you should speak more fluently in your vlog. Anyway, uh, there's a lot of papers to
What's written in it?
what?
What's written in it?
It's just scratches. It's just scratch from anywhere. I just
Can we read? Can we read one of the letters?
here. You probably won't understand it because because it's Filipino.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
Filipino. You speak
Yeah.
Filipino?
Oh,
No.
I don't speak
You're
Filipino.
studying Filipino.
No, I
How did you write it? How did you write it?
according to mom's request.
Oh, you just wrote what she said.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
That's what you call
Here's I think this thing is confidential, so never mind.
What?
Uh, here,
What's that?
what is this?
I think that doesn't represent that.
Tampa Express.
Oh, you went to
Oh, you
Dampa
went
Express.
Filipino. That's Filipino.
Yes, you.
You're lying. That's Filipino.
I thought
I am seeing it now.
We look so dumb right now. So here is here is
You're skipping it. What's that?
why are you ashamed to be a Filipino?
You're lying. Look at you.
I'm Lasallian power.
Oh. Okay, I understand. Okay. Now, next. What's this?
I right. This
You write
is this is my subject from chemistry. This is for my subject in chemistry.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does it mean? What's the use of those formulas?
It's to calculate how many. No. Yeah, something like that. How many?
What's this mean? The C, the U, the O.
This is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and
Wow. Oh, you're calculating the
how many percentage there is in a
space, volume, area.
somewhere. Wait, let's put it.
You sit there. We continue our what's in the bag. Okay, what's next?
What's next? What's next? What's this?
Nakakita na kayo ng
This is my activity in Filipino.
tiger.
Oh, that's not a tiger.
That's a cat. That's a cat.
Ming-ming.
Swimming pool. Same lang yun.
Visayan leopard ka.
Oh,
Okay, let's skip the letters,
Yeah.
the notes.
The
What
notes.
else?
Video game. It's new 50 pesos.
yeah.
Hey, Philippines.
Tapos may flower na dito.
This is
Pen
yeah,
drive.
Yeah, I found it in the Naga.
Where?
I just found it behind the TV. It's plugged in. I don't know who it belongs. Is it yours?
No,
Is it yours?
I don't-
I guess I stole it, so it's mine now.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's in the pen drive?
The pen drive, it I used it for I don't know for storing music in my karaoke activity in Ateneo.
Wow.
Yeah, dance performances. held there.
That's so amazing.
Yeah, it's very
So
amazing.
that's what you're taking now.
Yeah, the music scored in it.
Okay, what's next?
Although it's never used.
Okay.
Okay, the next item.
Next item. Here's a
Uy, Philippines. You're lying. That's Filipino. Why do you have that?
I just found it in the trash bin, so I guess it was.
Okay. We know you're lying, but we understand.
Okay,
next
that's
thing.
some wipe out.
Another one.
It's empty.
The back pocket.
I use I use what's this emergency raincoat.
Oh,
yeah.
when did you use that?
I forgot.
Okay.
Yeah,
You have to say goodbye. We should end this video.
vlog.
Or vlog. Okay, bye-bye.